Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today, we're in our local store here in Phoenix, Arizona. We're gonna go over with our new chlorine and acid that we got in, our liquids that we got in. So as you see here, these are our 4-buys. We have 4 buys of chlorine and 4 buys of acid on the other side of the store, which I'll show you here in a second. But these are recyclable. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy this crate, you're gonna take it home. Once you're done using this whole thing of chlorine, you're gonna bring it back, swaps out for a new one. So it's 100% recyclable, reusable, really, really awesome. Save the environment. But as you see here, these are made by Trident Chemical Company. So local company in actually Casa Grande, Arizona, and they're awesome. So they're a newer company. They're bottling everything fresh. It's not sitting outside for months on end, which is really nice. But yeah, it's Trident. So the chlorine right here is 12.5% active chlorine, sodium hypochlorite. This is awesome stuff. So here at ePoolSupply, we keep everything air conditioned. Inside, it's nice and it's not going to get diluted from the heat of the Arizona sun. We have our giant warehouse that's fully air conditioned. So this is going to be really strong when you guys get it home, which actually you'll notice against big box stores too. You're going to notice a huge difference because this is 12.5%. Some of the big box stores have it at 10, and maybe some of them have even less percentage as well. So let's go walk over to our acid real quick. So as you see, we like to separate all of our chemicals here at the office legally, and just for health reasons and safety reasons, we want to make sure everything's separated and good to go. But as you see here, this is our acid. The red boxes are going to be your acid. The blue over there are going to be your chlorine. And as you see, nice pretty bottle here with Trident Chemical Corp. And another thing too, so this one says it's at 31.45% active hydrochloric acid. Super strong stuff, you guys, which is amazing. You don't have to use as much as you do from the stuff you buy from the big box stores. I mean, I've seen it to where some of those big box ones are down to 15%. So this is double the strength. This is amazing stuff. But again, even at home, you want to keep these separated. Don't ever put them inside the same case. This is all Trident Chemical Corp. We're really, really, really excited about this new product. Recycle, reuse, bring it in, and we're going to take care of you guys. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for stopping in.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.